Wix, how to restore a previous revision. So if you want to restore a previous revision on Wix, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all we have to do is first we will have to open our Wix dashboard, and from the dashboard of the website we will go to the edit site menu from the top right hand side of the screen. Once we go to the edit site menu, this is the interface that you will see. Now when we are here, if we wanted to restore some of our previous version of the site because maybe we made some changes and we don't like it, we can always find them. If you look and click on the site option from the top left right here, you'll find these options where you have to simply navigate to this option that says site history. So it says view and restore your previous versions of your site. So we will just select go to site history option right here. Now, once we are taken to the next page, it will show you all of our site history depending upon the date as well. So it will keep some of the revisions on what date you made, what kind of changes, and so on. If you want to restore a previous version, you can click on it. And once you click on it, you will see the changes on the right hand side. And if you want to restore those changes, you can just click on the restore button that you can see here, and it will restore the old revision for you. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then restore the old revision of the site. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.